Hey, it's Alison, and today I've got a super quick video to show you how to be a half tuck pro. Over the years of doing style challenges by Get Your Pretty On, one of the biggest questions that I get asked on a consistent basis is, how the heck do you half tuck? I mean, what the tuck, right? So I decided I was going to put together a really quick video to show you this because it's so much easier than it sounds and than it seems. But first, I'm going to address the question, how to know when to half tuck, to tuck or not to tuck. It's really simple. Take a selfie both ways, and that's going to tell you what you need to do. I promise you, the selfie doesn't lie. So when you decide to do the half tuck, you're going to want to make sure that you start out with a shirt that's kind of like this one. It's a little bit blousey with a longer tail, because this is what's going to work best and what's going to stay tucked in all day long. Otherwise, anytime you lift your arms, your shirt's going to lift out of your pants, and that's going to drive you insane. So please make sure that you start out with a shirt that has a longer tail, because it's absolutely going to work best for the half tuck. You're also going to want a shirt that has a little bit of slouchiness to it. If the shirt is too tight or it doesn't have some looseness in through the waist area, then it's not going to half tuck properly. So make sure the shirt is longer and a little bit looser. Then all you have to do is take the front of it, take one hand, tuck it down in. You don't have to do it the whole way across the front, just right in the front by your zipper area. And then just kind of blouse the sides out. Perfect every time. You're going to leave the back out. You don't have to do a full tuck. I think half tuck is a lot more flattering than a full tuck. The only times you may want to consider doing a full tuck is if you have on a button down or button up Oxford top and you have it tucked into a pair of pants with a belt. I think that usually looks better if you do the full tuck, but you can also pull off a half tuck with that look. But seriously, it's that simple. Push it down in, pull the sides out, and your half tuck is done. All right, I hope you're now a half tucking pro. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe and share it with your friends. See you next time.